In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document using DocuSign. This powerful tool allows you to quickly and securely sign documents from the comfort of your computer or mobile device, eliminating the need for printing and scanning. Let's get started. First, make sure you have access to your Gmail account where you'll receive the necessary documents. Head on over to your inbox. Once you're in, be on the lookout for the email containing the contract sent via DocuSign. This email will have all the essential details and a link to proceed with the signing process. Click on the email to open it, and you'll see there's a button or link labeled Review Document. This will redirect you to the DocuSign platform where your document is all set for signing. Click on this review document and it will bring up your contract. Now would be a good time to have a quick read through to ensure everything is in order. After you've reviewed the document, you'll see a Continue button on the screen. Click on that to proceed. Here comes the part where you need to read through any instructions provided and fill out the necessary fields in the document. Be thorough to make sure all required sections are complete. Once all necessary fields are filled out, scroll down until you see the signature section. DocuSign offers multiple ways to add your signature. You have the option to sign with a traditional signature. Just click on the designated signature line and you can choose to draw, type, or upload a signature. If you prefer, you can also sign with your initials, which might be required in sections of the document or by certain forms. Similarly, if a stamp is more appropriate for your type of work, you can choose to apply that instead. In some cases, you might need to sign with the date signed. DocuSign has a convenient option where it will automatically capture the date you're signing the document. Following that, you can also sign with your name, first name, or last name, especially if these fields are mandatory in the document's format. Additionally, there might be fields where signing with your email address is necessary. This could be useful for verifications and identification. You can also sign with your company name or title if the document requires such identification. Once you've chosen your preferred signing method, you'll also have options for pre-made signatures within the system if you want a more stylized appearance. Simply select one that fits your needs best and apply it. After ensuring that all required signatures and fields are correctly completed, you're ready to finalize the document. Remember, DocuSign makes it easy for you to securely and efficiently sign documents, saving you time and effort. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your future document signing endeavors.